Philippe Imparato, CEO, has stated that the highly anticipated new Stelvio will be available for purchase in the year 2026. The STLA Large platform will be used to assemble all of the parts of this electric vehicle. The same Stellantis plant in Cassino, Italy, where the regular model is built, will also build this vehicle. There will soon be a redesigned Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Reportedly, the 2026 Alfa Romeo Stelvio's front end is both expressive and attention-grabbing. Sleek LED headlights and the iconic triangular grille will be standard on all new Alfa Romeo vehicles. The design will most likely give off an aura of high-class Italian performance. The 2026 Stelvio would continue the brand's history of making swift cars with an athletic profile that is accentuated by its chiseled body and sharp features. Body designs that use aerodynamic aspects provide optimal performance and fuel economy. The end result of the design is an athletic style with an Italian twist. Some Alfa Romeo styling cues may be visible on the rear of the Stelvio. A more aggressive and contemporary appearance for the SUV can be achieved by adding 2 exhaust tips, stylish diffusers, and LED taillights featuring a unique lighting pattern. At the end, you will have both the form and the function. When developing the luxurious cabin of the Stelvio, the driver clearly spared no expense. The cottage is outfitted with contemporary comforts, like an easy-to-use layout and sturdy construction. By integrating performance-oriented materials with exquisite Italian craftsmanship, the interior design strives to construct an aesthetically pleasing and functionally sound sports stadium. It is highly probable that the Alfa Romeo Stelvio came equipped with the most cutting-edge networking and multimedia technologies. It would be very easy to equip this SUV with an Alfa Romeo infotainment system, a touchscreen interface, and smartphone connectivity. You may hook up a high-quality sound system and advanced navigational aids, among many other things. The high-performance engine of the Stelvio may have been an attempt by Alfa Romeo to demonstrate their concern for thrilling driving. If you want a more exciting ride, you can change the suspension and handling systems, and if you want more power and better gas mileage, you can change the engine. As standard on every sporty Stelvio will be cutting-edge driver assistance and safety systems. Alfa Romeo offers a wide variety of driving aids that can enhance your driving experience without sacrificing safety. Some examples of these features are lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automated emergency braking. Wheel and brake packages are probably going to be an option on the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. You can personalize the SUV's athletic appearance with a range of fashionable alloy wheels in different sizes and finishes to make it stand out. Even more agility might be achieved by equipping Stelvios with bigger, performance-oriented wheels and tires.
Thanks for watching.